In this session, I am going to explain the profit and cost center process in acSys ERP. A cost center is used for tracking costs for subunits, like departments or functions within an organization. A profit center is used for tracking both revenues and costs. For example, in a manufacturing company, the production and sales of different product categories are profit centers. Let's see the following two different cases. 1. Department. 2. Manufacturing. For case 1, let's start with posting cost center entries for the department group and generate the department-wise expense report. I have already created cost centers called Marketing and Operations under the department group. Create another cost center for Services. We will track the company expenses under these departments. We can record the expenses through purchase, petty cash expense, credit note, journal voucher, issue voucher, etc. Let's see a couple of examples. Open the purchase invoice form. Click on New button. Select your real estate vendor. Choose a service item for housing and accommodation. Save the voucher. And then split the cost center to Marketing and Operations Department. Next, let's open the cash expense form. Click on New button. Choose the cash account. Select the telephone and fuel expense account. Save the voucher. And then split the cost center to Marketing, Operations, and Services Department. Now, let's open the cost center statement. You can see the recent posting in the month of May. This report shows the cost center totals at group and subgroup level. At the same time, the GL totals are available as well. Let's check the cost center summary report now. It's similar to statement, but shows voucher level details. This is a monthly view of the cost center totals for all groups. You can group the cost center reports by GL account and save it as a report layout. So far, we have seen the department-wise expense postings and reports. For case 2, let's see how to record the cost center entries in a manufacturing process and generate the profit report for the project. I have already created a cost center called Project 1 for manufacturing. We will track the expenses under raw materials and labor. Revenue under income. Create a new job. You can either enter the finished good items or convert from sales order. Let's choose a previously created sales order. The first grade shows the finished good item from the sales order for manufacturing. The second grid shows the estimated raw materials based on the BO and configuration for the finished good. You can add or delete the items as required. I am adding the labor expense of amount 300 to this job. Save and print the job. Next step is to start the production process and set the appropriate production status. To issue the raw materials for this specific job order, create a new issue voucher and select the job order number. Select the production expense account for destination ledger. Select the employee and the production unit. Enter the reference number for this job, if applicable. The raw materials related to the job order are automatically loaded here. Multiple issue vouchers can be issued, but I will issue all the raw materials in the same issue voucher. Save and print. This process will reduce the raw materials from the stock. Now, we will post the cost center entries. Select and split the production expense ledger to raw materials and labor. I will set the production status to complete. And check the stock for the finished goods. For this project, check the cost center statement. And the summary report. Let's create sales invoice for the finished goods. Open the sales invoice form, click on New button, select the sales order number from the list. Let's select the type as cash invoice. If goods are delivered separately, then uncheck the Update Inventory checkbox. I'm going to deliver the item with this invoice. Saving the document will launch the cashier form, where it shows the cash tendered and the balance details. Now, we will post the cost center entries. Select and split the sales income ledger to project revenue. Cost center statement, and the summary report will show the net profit for this project. This is a monthly view of the cost center totals for manufacturing. You can group the cost center reports by GL account and save it as a report layout. We have seen the project postings and its reports. You have seen the profit and cost center process in acsysERP. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day.